What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Today, we are making seafood pasta. So, seafood pasta, we need some seafood. We've got some prawns, which are peeled and ready to go, some squid, finely diced garlic, some chili flakes, some ripe cherry tomatoes, parsley, and a bit of sneaky white wine. I've also got a secret ingredient for you today. Give me a moment. We've got fish sauce. A couple of weeks ago, Jason and I were cooking seafood pasta, and Jason recommended a couple of tablespoons of fish sauce and see how it tastes. And it actually works pretty well with seafood pasta. It really emphasizes that seafood flavor in the pasta. If you're not a fan of fish sauce, feel free to leave it out. This is still gonna be an absolutely delicious recipe. So let's get into the cooking. First thing we're gonna do is get a pot of water up to a rolling boil. Salt the water and then cook your pasta. Now let's get all our ingredients prepped and ready to go. This sauce is so quick, we can prep our ingredients and cook the sauce in the time it takes to cook our pasta. You want to cut the squid into thin strips. Cut horizontally so you get these nice calamari rings. Now all we're going to do is halve these cherry tomatoes and finely dice some fresh parsley. This dish is going to be full of colours, which I absolutely love. When there's about 5 minutes left before the pasta finishes cooking, preheat the pan to a medium-high heat. We want to time the sauce and pasta to perfection. Drizzle in some olive oil and add in the garlic. Now we're going to go in with the prawns first because they take a bit longer to cook. And don't forget the chili flakes. Make sure you give everything a good stir. Wow, I wish you could smell this right now. Whenever you put garlic and chili together, the smell is just amazing. After about 2 minutes, add the squid in and your cherry tomatoes. Then just add a splash of white wine and a tablespoon of our secret ingredient. That's right, fish sauce. Now it might seem like there's a bit of liquid, but the sauce will cook out and evaporate quite a bit after another 2 minutes of cooking. Perfect, this looks absolutely amazing. Pasta is cooked now, so we can directly drag the pasta into our sauce and give everything a good stir. Finally, add a tablespoon of butter, which will give your sauce a silky smooth finish, some parsley to add that bit of freshness, and give it a final mix. Don't be scared to give it a few tosses and have a bit of fun. That's what cooking is all about. And that, my friends, is a quick and easy seafood pasta. What better way to enjoy a bit of seafood pasta for lunch than some white wine as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. If you want to see the next episode, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. Pour you a bit of white wine as well.
Cheers, mate. $4 white wine from Aldi.
Bit of seafood, bit of white wine. Good way to spend the Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What the?
Holy crap, that's good.
So much flavour.
It's the
That
fish sauce.
That fish sauce really just like up that flavour content there.
Mm.
You wear my jacket today.
I'm not wearing it. I love the garlic.
Yeah, adds so much flavour.
You really have that fundamental taste of the garlic and the butter as well.
Yeah, the butter, yeah. I think the garlic, the chili, adds that bit of heat. And then the butter gives that nice silky finish, and then
pasta, you just kind of round everything up, make everything.
Adds a bit of punch to it.
Yeah, it's just the icing on the cake. Yeah. Put pasta on everything else. Even your woman.